All right, Charlie, everything is set up. Woohoo! Okay, so one last time. What? I'm going to ask you something. What? Are you sure you want to mash Mophie? I do want to help you wash the car. And that is final. Okay. And guys, it's pretty windy today, so if you don't hear us, that's the wind. Mash. And also, welcome back to my channel. We're not doing much. Me and Mophie are just washing the car because, the car is really dirty. Okay, I'm gonna go get the car, okay? You stay here. I'm alright. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Max Pooch. What's up? I looked all around the house for you, and I could not find you. And now I found you, so what are you doing? Oh, well, me and Mophie are washing the truck. You didn't tell me you were washing the truck. I want to wash too. Well, it's not too late to join us. You can still join us. Okay. Watch out, guys. I'm bringing in the car. Oh, watch out, Max Pooch. And here. Wow, now that is one dirty truck. Yep, dirty, all right. Look how dirty it is. Hi, Mo, definitely needs wash. Can we get started? It's my first time washing the car. Oh, hey, Max. Yes, of course. Maxie Pooch wants to help, too. That's kind of a big job for a little dog. But wait, Mophie, you don't need to wash it. The wind will blow it off. Well, don't matter. It needs washing anyway. It never been washed for like 3 months or so. 3 months? Holy sh. Yeah, so that's why it's so dirty. And also, if the wind blows it off, Shmo, what do I have to do? Yes. Okay, so, let me take this out. What you have to do is you have to take this bowl, scoop it in the water, and pour some on here. I want to go first. Okay, Max, sure go first. Yes. There's not enough water. Like that? Go very gently. There you go. Nice. Good job. Good job, Max Pooch. Thank you. Okay, Charlie, your turn. Oh, man, sheesh, bro. Okay. Just pour it on the dirt. Don't matter if it gets on the inside. Ooh, look at that waterfall. Oh, watch out, Max Pooch. I almost got wet. All right, see? Look how cool that is. And now let's do it a bit more. I want to sweat on the side. Beam, 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 beam. I'm going to do it to the tires. Max Pooch. And that's funny, Charlie. Mesh. Whew, all right. Now I'm doing the next one. Okay, it's fine. I just scooped some up for you. I want to do the top. Mophie, can you reach it? Yep. Here, I'll lift you up. Okay. Now pour some on. Whee! Good job. Eat. Okay, let's do the other side now. So let's turn this around. Oof. Look at the back, you guys. Hoo-wee, that is one dirty back. Yep. I want to ride in it. Max Pooch, get out. It's all dirty. You're going to get dirty. Okay. Okay, my turn. Let me dump it on the inside, Charlie. Wait, actually, let me take this off first. Holy, that is meshy. Pour some water. Ooh, look at that. Hey, now it's like a mini pool, see? Oh, yeah, you're right. And I might want to wash the thing a bit too. Like that. Yeah, to wash that a bit too. There you go. It's good. When are we going to do the soap? In a minute. We just got to finish this side. Okay. I pour it. Yep, you can pour it, Max. Oh, man, but it's all in the inside. Don't worry. I'll clean it. Okay. Okay, guys, you ready for soap? Mash, we are. Okay, so Okay, so here's the scrubber, you guys. And now pour some soap on it. I want to go first. Mo, I want to go first because last time you went first. Yeah, Max, let Charlie go first this time. Okay. All right, fine. I go first next time. Now this is going to be small, satisfying. Wait. I can't even squeeze it. I can't. Small hard. Oh, got it. Got it. Okay, dip it in a bit of water now. Put a bit of water on it. Come right up. There you go. Now scrub it. Anywhere you want, Charlie. I'll scrub the front of it. I'm pretty good. Now rub it back and forth. It's light. Good job, Charlie. You're doing really good. Thanks. There we go. A bit more there. And I'm going to do the side too. So, bottom. Those. You guys are my little helpers there. Thank you so much. No problem. We'll do anything for y'all, Mophie. Okay, let's turn around and I'm going to do the inside. So, wait. Let me just dip a little bit of water like that. Okay, I'm going to do the inside, you guys. And I'm going to do this side. But I want to do the top. Yep, you'll get a chance. Don't worry. Squirt some soap all over. Max, you get to do the top. Yay. I like doing the top. Max, do you want to wash the wheels? No, I want to do the top. Okay, well, the top is not that dirty anymore. She's getting clean already, Mophie. Sure is. Hee hee. Oh, good job, Max Pooch. Pretty good. Thanks. I want to wash the tires, too. This is hard. Here, Max Pooch, I'll do it. Wash it inside, over and down. Everywhere around the truck, make sure it gets all nice and clean. Good job, Charlie. Thanks. Thank y'all. Small march. Mash. There's still a bit of dirt on it. Don't worry, we'll rinse it off. Smell cool. Other tire. Okay, you guys. I think that's enough scrubbing the truck now. Aww. Can we do a second one, please? Max, well, I'm not sure. You guys can scrub this, though. Oh, I want to do... No, I want to. Charlie, Maxie Pooch. I want to do it. No, I want to. Maxie Pooch, we already went through with this. Come on now. Let's not fight. You're old enough to know. You're 6 years... You're turning 6 years old, and I'm turning 10 soon, small, and you should know the difference. You should know the difference. Excuse me. Okay, guys, why don't Charlie squirt the soap and Max can scrub it? Or actually, no, I'll scrub the soap, and one can scrub on this side, the other can scrub on the other side. Oh, all right, that's good. I'll scrub on this side because it's hard for you, Max Pooch. Okay, I'll scrub this side. Good job. I can't take the soap out. Oh, there we go. It's so bubbly. Isn't it? Yes. Only dipping in the water a little bit. Makes it better. Bubbly, bubbly. Okay, Max Pooch, my turn. I have to scrub this side. Ooh, I gotta get the inside and everything. Squirt. There. Squeeze! Alright, wait. Ooh, yeah! push it around. That looks so cool. All right, let's rinse it off. Come on. I want to do it. Here we go. Whoa, Max Pooch, don't get me wet. Smallie. Yeah. Ow! Maxie Pooch. Here. Ow! You guys, calm down. He splashed me. Well, I was only playing. Why are we acting like babies? There's only water. Yeah, it's only water. Splash! And dunk! Guys, don't waste the water. But we're only trying to have fun, Muffy. Yeah, but still, just try not to waste it. All right. Can't even add a bit of fun to it. That looks small cool. Now it's all smiley, 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 sparkly. Dee-dee-doo. Small cool. Man. Save the rest for the truck, you guys. The truck gotta get done too. Oh yeah, keep that in mind. Let's rinse out the truck. Rinse out the truck. Okay. And go. Whoa! Woo! Splash, 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 splash. It's a little pool area. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Choopy-bee-doo, choopy-bee-doo, choopy, that's me. Maxie Pooch loves Choopy and Bee-Doo. Wee! Woo! That was so much fun. Yes! The truck is all clean. Yep, but the thing is, look on the inside. Ew, yeah! And Max, I think this is one of your leads. Oh yeah, I forgot it in the truck. I'm gonna go put it inside. All right. Muffy, what are we gonna do about that? Don't worry. Rinse it out, rinse it out. You know what I'm gonna do? Jump the truck over. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to use all the water. Why? Because to get the dirt cleaned out. Whoa! That looks so satisfying. And now it looks like a little lake here. I wish we were small enough to play in the pool. Yeah, I wish. What happened while I was gone? Nothing much. Nothing much. Tip the truck over. Pour some out. Huh. Muffy! Jeez! Okay, truck is all good as new. Thank you guys for helping me. No problem. We are good helpers, Mom. Oh, can we go inside for supper now? Mash, I'm really hungry. Yes, of course we can. Woohoo! Let's go. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Come on, Charlie. Coming.